In this video, you will see how to insert a thick line in PowerPoint. It's very easy. Let's get started. First, you need to go to the Insert tab. Under the shapes, select the line. Now press Shift on your keyboard and hold the Shift button and draw a line so you will get a straight line. And now to increase the thickness of this thin line, right click on the line, go to the Format Shape. Under the line option here, change the color to the color you like, and this width is the thickness of the line. So at present it is 0.5. We will change the number, for example 5 points, and as you can see the thickness has increased. If we go to 20 points and enter on your keyboard, the line thickness will keep increasing as you increase the number. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos shown on screen related to PowerPoint.